Hi Super Funners! Today I'm opening 10 Sesame Street surprise eggs.
What took you so long? Hey, hello everybody! Oops. I'll be able to find that.
I'm going shopping.
I am the count because I love to count.
Let's go and play.
Oh no! Huh? Wow! Wow!
Thank you so much for watching Super Fun Reviews. Please subscribe and share with your friends. See you again soon.